Okay, forgive my hair. I've had a crazy ass day. I don't care what it looks like. I've had every amount of people up my ass, particularly one. I'm not going to mention who he is. But he was up my ass. It's like, dude, when I'm trying to do my job, stay out of my ass. It's uncharted territory to you. You know, what if I let out a huge earth-shaking fart? You might get hurt. I mean, don't come up to my job site, ask stupid-ass questions, push my buttons, because it just turns my hair gray. And it just drives me bonkers. And it makes my eyes hurt. Okay? And it just makes my brain hurt. It makes your boobs droop and your ears stick out. I mean, there are just some people in this world that should just shut up. I mean, I've got a headache right now because of this person. It's like, go away. Go away. Out the door, walk down the street, turn right at Supercuts, lose the plaid shirt, because you look like a Cracker Barrel hoster, or host, and go, and here's a quarter, and have a rat gnaw that thing off of your nose. And what are your thoughts on this?